أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Excellency, this is an address by the State Islamic leader and Vice President General, River State Council for Islamic Affairs, Alhaji Ambassador Nasir Ahwerebe Oho JP, to the Executive Governor of River State, Sir Siminalaye Fubara GSSRS, whom we fondly call the Sincere One, during the Council's delegation's Eid al-Fitr courtesy visit to Government House, Port Harcourt, on Friday, 30th March 2026. Your Excellency, permit me to begin by thanking Allah the Almighty for granting us all journey and health mercies without which this visit would not have been possible. We also place on record our sincere appreciations to Your Excellency for approving this visit, which provides the Ummah the forum to interact with Your Excellency. We are delighted to be with you once again. As you are well aware, Muslims here and the world over are sincerely glorified, praised, and fasted for the sake of Allah for all of 30 days. He then rewarded us with this special and blessed festival of Eid al-Fitr, a time for merriment, feasting, and sharing with neighbors, widows, orphans, the ill in health, travelers, the distressed, and so on. Council appreciates your passion for religious inclusivity, especially your heartwarming support for the state's Muslim Ummah. That said, Your Excellency, we feel more at home reminding you of some of our previous requests. Top among them is the issue of building an ultra-modern central mosque befitting the status of Port Harcourt as a state and regional capital. Secondly, Your Excellency, the return to the Council of the Muslim segment of the Port Harcourt cemetery, which predated the creation of the state. Right now, we go through a lot of hardship to bury our dead at far away Eleme local government area. Your Excellency, the provision of land for the building of a mosque at the State University, now that the Supreme Court has even upheld the right of Muslim students to build a mosque for themselves at the institution. But we know the ultimate order and intervention lies with Your Excellency. We want to appreciate Your Excellency and also remind him of the setting up of a statutory institution or agency to permanently tackle the lingering, potentially explosive issue of herders-farmers clashes in the state, as suggested in our earlier report to you. We will not end our brief exposition without thanking you for increasing the slot of our judiciary for us. This is very, very generous and thoughtful of you, and we sincerely appreciate. Might we even trespass further on your tolerance by putting across our request that where it is possible, we may look forward to the setting up of a full-fledged River State Muslim Pilgrims Welfare Board as an additional measure to enhance its operation and management. We want to thank and commend you for this. It's the first of its kind as at now in this region. Your Excellency, thank you. Council is also delighted that despite daunting challenges, you have continued to deliver on your mandate and will not tire in praying for your safety and the success of your administration. Your Excellency, thank you very much for your patience and tolerance. You can always count on our support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace and blessings of Allah be on us all.